So Mark is asking about best practices for naming roles and profiles, such as should you use rep or representative. I don't know that there's necessarily a best practice. I think the main best practices when it comes to roles and profiles is to not to have too many of them, to really try to limit the number that you have and not go overboard with the number of profiles. And one thing you will see in older organizations are a proliferation of profiles. And that's because those were created before permission sets existed in Salesforce. And so permission sets came along so as to give you the ability to not create so many profiles. As far as the naming conventions go, I think the best practices are that it's logical to the viewer, so that someone can at a glance understand that this is a representative or manager. So I wouldn't abbreviate in those. I think, this is Mike Wheeler's opinion. I don't know if it's best practice, but it could be kind of close to that, I guess, would be just don't abbreviate. And also, if you're working in a global company, be mindful of language barriers. And so that's where abbreviations could get really confusing. So you want to really spell it out.